Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of QloApps WordPress blog. Now this particular plugin is an add-on to the QloApps, and using this add-on you'll be able to show up to 500 WordPress blogs on your QloApps hotel booking website. So in simple words, this plugin will fetch the blogs from your WordPress website and display them on your Qlo website. So right now you can see that I'm on my Qlo website here on the main homepage there, and if I scroll down here I'll be able to see the featured blogs as well. As you can see here I am having a section of the featured blogs showing the featured blogs, and at the very top we have a blog link in the header, and we also have a blog link in the footer of the website there. Now we can access the complete list of blogs there by tapping here on the blog, or we can check the list by going to the blog option that we have provided here. So if I tap here on the blog, we'll be able to see the complete list of blogs that we have imported there, and from here the customers can access any of the blogs as per their own requirement and can go through each of the blogs as required there. Now the same goes for the footer of the footer option that we provided here for the blog. So here you can see that blog. If I tap on that, this would bring up the complete list of blogs that are there that I basically imported from my WordPress website there. So if I tap on that, I'll be able to see the complete list of the blogs here. So here you can see that all blogs have been shown, and this is a complete list of blogs that I've imported from my WordPress website there. And from here I can change the page as page, view as pagination or scroll, or I can sort by date and time, and I can show up to 9, 12, 18, 24, 27 blogs at a time to the customers there. So as I've already told you in simple words, this plugin will fetch the blogs from your WordPress website and display them onto your QloApps hotel booking website there. So you have the option to select the tile or list view for the blogs. You can display the blogs on the home page, category page, product page. You can display the blog link on the header and the footer. You can also limit the number of blogs to be displayed at the storefront, and you can also display the specific blogs of some categories on the front end as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll just be taking you through the workflow there. So for that, I'll just take you to the home page of your QloApps hotel booking website, as you can see. So if I scroll down, here is the option to select the hotel location, select the hotel name, enter the check-in, check-out dates, and search the one. So on the home page here we have, if I scroll down, I have the featured section for the featured blogs, as you can see, and I've already told you we can check the blogs from the header blog link or from the footer blog link as well. And now before I proceed further, but before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So I've shown you how the blogs appear on the home page. Now depending upon, for example, we are searching for a hotel Prime, for example, I'm selecting the check-in, check-out dates, and I'm searching for a particular hotel, for example. Now on the search page as well, we'll be able to see the listing of the blogs there. So here you can see that we are searching the rooms, and here on the right hand side we are having the rooms that are there. But on the left hand side here, if we see right now, we are not able to see any of the blogs being listed. But if I go, for example, onto a product page like this one, and I scroll down here, I can see the featured blogs here being displayed to the customers. So while scrolling the product page, the customers can basically check the what we say as the featured blogs there. Now the same goes when we are searching for a particular hotel. For example, if we are searching for a hotel there, and after searching for a hotel, if I scroll down on the left hand side, you can find the featured blog as well. So this is also displaying the complete or a few ones are there, and we have view all option to view the complete list of featured blogs that we have imported from the WooCommerce, what we say as the website there, onto our QloApps hotel booking website. Now this was basically the workflow at the storefront, and now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you the workflow at the backend. So for that, let's hop onto the admin backend panel of the QloApps. So I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username or the email and the password and tapping on the sign in button. Now after the successful installation of this particular add-on, we will find one option under the hotel reservation system at the top end. So right now you can see that we have logged into the admin backend panel for the QloApps itself. So let me tap on the never there. So as I've already told you that this plugin is an add-on to the QloApps, so the QloApps should be first installed there. So after the successful installation of this add-on, you'll find the hotel reservation system. Under that you'll have the settings option. So you have to go to settings. On the setting page, we will find one option there. That's the WordPress blog, as you can see here. So what you need to do is you just need to tap here on the WordPress blog, and that will bring up the settings for the QloApps WordPress blog settings itself. So here we have the WordPress blog configuration, as you can see. So the very first option that we have here is the enable or disable option, and we can switch this option as a yes or a no. So to enable this WordPress blog configuration, you'll have to enable this up. Then you have to enter the WordPress URL, and here you'll have to enter the root URL of your WordPress site from where you want to import the blogs basically. Then you have the option to select the blogs by category, and here you can choose a yes or a no. If you choose it as a no, then you can directly import the total number of blogs that should be fetched from the WordPress there. The limit is 500. You can set it up according to your own requirement. Then you have the option to display the number of blogs. So here we have set it as 3 at the front end. At the top, when I tapped on the blog, we could see up to 3 blogs that were displayed there. If you want to select the blogs by category, you can choose this option as a yes, and then you can select the categories from which you want to display the blogs there. Then we have the blog view. You can choose it as type view or list view, and the changes reflect on the home page and the room type page. And you can set up the arrangement of the blogs as newest, oldest, A to Z or Z to A as per your own requirement there. Then we have the view all blogs button. You can choose to enable it up or not. The view all button blog was visible in the footer there of the website. Then we have the show description, and this feature is only applicable on the tiles view. So you can choose to show the description of the blogs as well. If there is an image of the blog, you can choose to show the images as well. So for example, if I go to the blog here we have the description of the blog as well and the image as well of the blog. Then we have the position selection. So you can display the blog post on the home page by choosing a yes option. Display left column, whether you want to display it on the left column or not. And if you want to display the blogs on the room type page as well, then you can choose a yes for that. And then what happens is that, for example, if you're searching for a particular room there, on the room search page as well, you will be able to see the particular blogs being featured there. Then we have the blog selection, and here you can choose the specific blog selection as well. So if you enable this option, if you want to display the specific blogs on the home page, search result page and the room type page for the fetched blogs there, so you can choose it as a yes, and then accordingly you can select the blogs. And if no blog is selected, then all of the blogs would be displayed there on the blog section there. And accordingly, for each of these sections, you can tap on the save button that is provided on the right hand side of each setting there. So yes, that was much about the QloApps WordPress blog, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this plugin will fetch the blogs from your WordPress website and display them on your QloApps website. If you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the QloApps there, you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.us.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.